Congratulations, you made it here. Look, if you check your email, I just sent you an email from John at johnvaughnisnotmarketing.com with all the information that you need to go ahead and get logged in and get your free stuff, all right? In there, you'll find the high-level tips and secrets and things that I've actually been doing on a daily basis to actually grow my friends list and start making money on Facebook. And like I said before, actually fund my entire company, make over $500,000 on Facebook, and make a good, still making over $50,000 a month just from what I've actually been doing on Facebook, just from my organic friends list. Not running paid ads or anything like that, just by making friends on Facebook and posting about stuff on Facebook. You're gonna learn all the little tricks and secrets from a high level what I've actually been doing, all right? So just check your email, that's already there. But before you leave and go do that, I did wanna just give you an amazing offer real quick that's really going to help you. Look, I've deleted every single one of my Facebook friends to go back through this process step by step every day and show you going from 0 Facebook friends back to the magical number of right around 4,800 Facebook friends and re-monetize all those people and make another huge chunk of money. Literally, I'm going to be doing that every single day. You're going to get to watch me every single day. I'll be going live. I'll be posting content, showing you exactly what I'm doing step by step every single day. All the things that I'm actually doing to recreate for a second time this entire process to show you exactly how it works. You're going to be able to watch over my shoulder every single day and see me step by step recreate this thing all over again and go from 0 friends all the way back up to right around 4,800 friends and re-monetize them and make at least another $50,000 a month again from the second process. You're going to be able to go in and actually see all of that every single day. You'll be able to watch over my shoulder and literally watch me in real time actually do it. And as an added bonus, guess what? As an added bonus, I'm going to be your Facebook friend as an added bonus. And I'm going to like your stuff. I'm going to comment on your stuff. And I'm literally, personally going to help you yourself monetize your Facebook friends and actually start making money from Facebook. That's $7 a month. You couldn't spend a better $7. So if you want that, and that sounds like yes, that's a great $7. I couldn't think of a better way to spend it, John. You're absolutely right, especially because that $7 doesn't even actually go to me. You'll see exactly where it goes. It actually goes to help kids go through school in India and make sure that they actually have the school supplies that they need. So not only are you going to get an amazing Facebook friend like me, not only are you going to get to see step by step exactly what I'm doing, but you're also going to build good karma and do some good things in the actual world. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, it's just $7 a month. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can cancel any time you want, no questions asked. Just fill that out right down there. If you're not interested in that, that's no big deal. Just check your email, and I sent you all the free content, and there's plenty of stuff in there for free that you can go learn and you can take action on today, and you can start making more money. Now, you're not going to be able to watch me over the shoulder. All right, you're not going to be able to watch me literally go step by step every single day and redo this and go back from 0 back to $4,800 or back to 4,800 friends and start making money again from those guys. You're not going to be able to watch me over the shoulder every single day do that, but you will get access to the free information. So if you want to watch me and literally see what I do every day step by step and have an awesome Facebook friend like me who will like your stuff, who will comment on your stuff, not just once or twice, but lots of different times to keep engagement up so that other people will see your stuff and comment on it, and it will build authority and actually help you make sales. If you want all that, it's just $7 a month. You just fill that out down there. If not, that's fine. Just check your email and get the free stuff.